Hey everyone, it's Daddy-O from the O family here. Today we got something super exciting to share with you. We are unboxing and taking a ride on the brand new Engwe L20 2.0 electric bike. Stick around to see us put this bad boy together, check out its awesome features, and take it for a spin. And let's get started. As you can see this box right here, it is heavy duty. It's very firm, but it's not as heavy as those 95, 100-pound bikes. So let's open this up. As you can see right here, this is what it looks like as soon as you open. Okay, now that we unboxed this, nice looking bike. I got the green color. There's 3 different colors. There's green, pink, and black for this model. So I got the green one. Let's see what's inside. All right, so after opening the box and cutting up all the styrofoams, and this is what the bike looks like. So this is the power cord. This is the guard. I think that's the front guard because the back's already, it's on. Comes with a tire pump. I think this is a pump. Some tools. Left and right paddle. A nice comfortable seat, and this is to put the body in. There's a front wheel, and then that's the handlebar. All right, so let's read the instructions. See how hard it is, put it together. So the first step looks like I need to take this off and put the front guard in. Now the front guard's in place. Looks like I need to take the safety bar here. Now we gotta put the front wheel. Front tire's in place. We gotta push the screw together. Tighten the front wheel. Just like that. Okay, now that's unscrewed. We gotta line up the front guard here. Yeah. Just like that. All right, let's flip the bike over. So all you have to do is tighten this right there. Oops, I think it's supposed to go this way. Okay, it's tightened. Fold it, push back in. Should be good to go. Put the handle back in here. There we go. There. Okay, so the one they sent us did not come with the front rack, which we don't need it. So now I have to unscrew the front guard to hook up the lamp here from behind, and let's go and do that. All right, so now the lamp is in place. Gotta put the paddle. It really doesn't matter left and right, doesn't say here. Just put the paddle here. Let's do the right side. Right side is in. Okay, that's tighten. Let's do the left side. All right, that's tighten. The final is a seat. Slide in according to your height. I'm about 5'10", so I think all the way in is fine. Tighten this. Let's put the battery back in. You can lift the seat up. Slide this all the way. Lock it.
Now that the bike is assembled, let's talk about what makes the Engwe L20 2.0 so awesome. First up, the motor. This bike has a powerful motor that can reach up to 1125 watts at its peak, but normally it runs at 750 watts. This means you'll have plenty of power for fast acceleration and tackling hills. Next, the torque is 75 Newton meters, which is a fancy way of saying it has great pulling power. You'll really feel this when you start pedaling or using the throttle, making your ride smooth and strong. The battery is a 52-volt 13 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. In simple terms, this means the bike can go further on a single charge. With pedal assist, you can ride up to 84 miles. If you use just the throttle, you can still go up to 28 miles. So, whether you're commuting or exploring, this battery has got you covered. The tires are 20 inches by 3 inches, perfect for a stable and smooth ride on all kinds of terrain. They're wide enough to handle bumps, sand, and even snow. The bike weighs 68.3 pounds, or about 31 kilograms. It's sturdy but still light enough to handle easily. Charging the battery takes about 6.5 hours, so you can charge it overnight and be ready to ride the next day. For safety, we've got mechanical disc brakes with 180mm rotors. These provide reliable and strong stopping power, which is super important. And this bike is designed to accommodate riders from 5'4" to 6'2" tall, making it versatile for different heights. Plus, it can handle a maximum load of 264 pounds, or about 120 kilograms. Don't forget the back rack, which is perfect for carrying extra gear. It can hold up to 55 pounds, or about 25 kilograms, making it super handy for groceries, bags, or even a small pet carrier. One of the coolest features is that this bike can fold up, making it perfect if you live in an apartment, have tight garage space, or want to load it into your car for a trip. It's incredibly convenient and easy to store. All these features come together to give you an amazing riding experience, whether you're cruising through the city or hitting some off-road trails.
All right, I finished putting the bike together, and this is the final product. Looks great. It does come with the LCD screen here. And to turn it on, you turn all the way to on, and then you cannot take it out. If you see in the handle, there's a little power button. You hold this. Now you see the LCD screen turned on. Shows that it's got full power, how many miles you rode this. There's a little ring. And then this is the paddle gear. If you decided to do manually, it goes all the way up to 7th gear. You can change it. 1st gear, 2nd gear, 3rd gear, 4th gear, all the way up to 7th gear. All right, so let's go for a spin, guys. Pretty simple. Turn it on the left side. You can see the color LCD screen. It's pretty nice. And on the left side, there's a button over here. Once you press that, it shows different screen: mild, max, average, trip, odometer. What is this one? Oh, this is to turn on the headlight and brake light. So there's a button down here. That's to turn on the headlight right here. Can you see? And then brake light on the back side. Let's turn that off. You don't need that. It's nice and sunny today. Let's take it for a spin. Right now I'm on 7th gear for paddling. I'm gonna do that in 3rd gear. The brake is really nice. I know this is a cable brake. It doesn't come with a nice hydraulic brake, but in the long run, the cable brake is easier to handle. Hydraulics, so when you start leaking, you have to find where it is, and it's gonna cost more money and more maintenance. The cable brake is a low maintenance, so keep that in mind. So I'm going to paddle. You can see right here, shows how fast I'm going. Now the power assist is not on. Turn it on. Press the plus button here. Now I'm in the power mode 1. There's power mode 2. Whoa! You saw that one when I do power mode 2. Now paddling, give it a little boost. How about 3? Whoa! Goes a little more. How about if I go power mode 4? Whoa! Does give it a lot of boost. Got good torque to it. It says it could go up to 28 miles per hour if you do power assist and paddle. How about go 5? Went up to 20 miles per hour. All right, went up to 21. Let's see, I'm gonna use the throttle now. I use the throttle, it goes up to 20 miles. It's the highest it can go. It's got a nice boost. Okay, there's a bell. Maybe she'll hear me. Thank you. Yep, excuse me. I don't know if she's gonna hear me here. Sorry. Now let's see, there's a big hill up here. So it's got enough boost to climb that. So the e-bikes are struggling coming up here. Oh yeah, no problem. Super easy. I'm just gonna use the throttle. It's 21 miles per hour. That's what I noticed. It tops up to 21 miles. Also with these tires, how fat it is, I mean, it's easy to maneuver, move around. After testing out the Engwe L20 2.0, I have to say I absolutely love it. It's a fantastic ride with great features. I love everything about it. There are a few minor things that I don't like. That I do like is the seat is very comfortable, lots of cushion. There's suspension seat, so when you go on the bump, it absorbs the shock so you don't feel as much. Another thing I like is it's easy to move the seat and take the battery out. Easy to adjust your seat. You could tilt it if you want to. Another thing I love is the LCD screen. It tells you how fast you're going, the mileage and everything. Also the front, it's got the suspension and you can adjust the suspension too. How soft, how hard you want it. Love about that. And love how you can fold it in half to put it in a compact small spaces. The only minor thing that I don't like is the bell. You can hear that when you're on a walk, but you won't be able to hear it when you're going faster. I do wish that it was louder. Another thing is the handlebar. I mean, it's sturdy, but nothing special. And that's the only minor thing that I don't like. But other than that, this is great. And right now, they have a special promotion where it's only $7.99. But this price will go up to $1,000. Plus, we have a discount code for you guys in the description box. Use it to save an additional $50. It's an incredible deal, so take advantage before it goes up. If you've been looking at e-bikes but found them too pricey, this could be the perfect startup option for you. For the price, it's high quality, fun to ride, and I'm sure you'll love it. With school starting soon, or if you have a birthday, anniversary, or any special occasion coming up, this bike could make a great gift for the family. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.